What are you doing?
I am writing in my notebook.
Who is calling you?
My cousin is calling me.
Are you cooking?
Yes, I am making breakfast.
Where are you going?
I am going to the library.
Why are they laughing?
They are laughing at a funny story.
Is she working right now?
Yes, she is working at her desk.
Are you studying English?
Yes, I am learning new words.
Are they playing outside?
No, they are playing in the living room.
What is she looking at?
She is looking at a beautiful painting.
What is he eating?
He is eating an apple.
Are you watching TV?
No, I am watching a video on my phone.
Who is singing?
My brother is singing in the room.
Is it raining now?
No, the sun is shining.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I am waiting for my sister.
Where is she going?
She is going to the supermarket.
What are they listening to?
They are listening to the radio.
Why are you shouting?
I am shouting because I cannot hear you.
Is he sleeping?
No, he is reading a book.
Are you planning something?
Yes, I am planning a family picnic.
Are they coming today?
Yes, they are coming this afternoon.
Who is helping you?
My sister is helping me.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a blue shirt.
Is he cleaning his room?
No, he is cleaning the kitchen.
Are you learning a new skill?
Yes, I am learning to draw.
Where are they sitting?
They are sitting near the window.
Is she writing a letter?
No, she is writing an email.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my notebook.
Who is talking loudly?
My little brother is talking loudly.
Why are they running?
They are running to catch the bus.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I am feeling much better.
What are they building?
They are building a new school.
Is he reading the newspaper?
No, he is reading a magazine.
Who is painting the wall?
My uncle is painting the wall.
Are you preparing lunch?
Yes, I am preparing some sandwiches.
Where is he standing?
He is standing near the window.
Is she watering the plants?
Yes, she is watering the flowers.
Why is she crying?
She is crying because she lost her toy.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about my weekend plans.
Are they fixing the car?
No, they are fixing the bicycle.
Are you waiting in line?
Yes, I am waiting at the ticket counter.
Is it snowing outside?
No, it is sunny outside.
Who is playing the piano?
My sister is playing the piano.
Are you brushing your teeth?
Yes, I am brushing my teeth.
What are you making?
I am making some cookies.
Who is teaching the class?
Our English teacher is teaching the class.
Why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I received good news.
Is he swimming now?
No, he is playing in the water.
What is he drawing?
He is drawing a picture of a house.
Are they discussing the plan?
Yes, they are discussing their school project.
Are you practicing English?
Yes, I am practicing speaking English.
Who is walking the dog?
My sister is walking the dog.
Are you cleaning the kitchen?
No, I am cleaning the bedroom.
What are they eating for lunch?
They are eating rice and vegetables.
Is she talking on the phone?
Yes, she is talking to her mother.
Are you waiting for the bus?
No, I am waiting for a taxi.
Are you fixing the bike?
Yes, I am fixing the front wheel.
Who is opening the door?
My father is opening the door.
Are they decorating the room?
Yes, they are decorating it for a birthday party.
Why is he running so fast?
He is running because he is late.
What is he searching for?
He is searching for his phone.
Is she practicing her speech?
Yes, she is practicing for her presentation.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.